Groovers and Shakers, Blockchain Bob here, day 16. How are you? I've had a really great day today. I've actually been down in Wollongong doing some neurosurgery, private assisting, which has been great to keep my skills up. As you can see here, I've got the scrubs on, which is what a good doctor needs to wear. Been a big week. Great to finish off with the spinalist down in Wollongong. Been lots happening on the accelerator front, lots happening with the VC front, lots happening with other offers. So next week is going to be fantastic. Can't wait to keep you up to date. If you like these videos, please like and subscribe. Give me a thumbs up, or write me a message in the comments. Certainly want to engage with people if I can. What I would say is I did do a video yesterday, but I'll have to explain later. It's a little bit controversial. There's been some other things going on, so I haven't published it yet. It is uploaded in draft mode, and if the other issues get sorted out, I will publish it. Otherwise, we might have to rehash another video. That's all from me. Chat to you soon. 100 days deep inside a medtech startup. Cheers.